No comments.
Avinash Chandar, whose tenure as DRDO chief has been cut short, refusing to comment on the government's decision. The Appointments Committee of Cabinet, headed by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had on Tuesday decided to terminate his contract from 31st of Jan. Chandar had retired as the Secretary, Defence Research and Development cum Director General DRDO and Scientific Advisor to the Defence Minister on 30th of November on attaining 64 years of age, and was given a contract for 18 months till May 31st next year. He had joined DRDO in 1972 after completing his graduation in electrical engineering from IIT Delhi and was the chief architect of the Agni series of ballistic missile systems. With Chandar being asked to go more than a year before his tenure was to end, Defence Minister Manohar Parrikar justified the decision. Noting that Chandar's tenure had ended in November, he said it was extended on contractual basis by the UPA government.
का जो टेन्योर था वो नॉर्मली उनका नवंबर में खत्म हुआ था, लेकिन जो पहले जो कैबिनेट ने अप्रूवल दिया था उसमें 3 बरस का पीरियड कहा था और 3 बरस पीरियड रिटायर होने के बाद कॉन्ट्रैक्ट पे चालू रहेगा. आई सेड a very senior position should not be on contract.
Asked who will head DRDO, he said that the senior most person of the cluster head will hold the post temporarily. While the Congress is calling the government's decision insensitive, the BJP is defending it.
भारत सरकार की प्राथमिकता है, जो प्रधानमंत्री जी भी कहते आए हैं, हमारे रक्षा मंत्री कहते आए हैं, कि हमें अपने फोर्सेस को मॉडर्नाइज करना है, आर्मी को स्ट्रांग बनाना है, मेक इन इंडिया आर्म्ड फोर्सेस के लिए भारत में ही हमारे आर्मामेंट्स बने. और डीआरडीओ को लेके कई बार न्यूज़पेपर्स में रिपोर्ट्स आते थे बहुत देरी हो रही है, कई प्रोजेक्ट्स ओवर कॉस्ट ओवररन्स हैं या बहुत डिलेड हैं. तो अगर सरकार के अधिकार में कोई कॉन्ट्रैक्ट टर्मिनेट करना है तो उनका अधिकार है.
The chief of the DRDO, who is also the principal scientific advisor to the defense minister, has been asked to go 15 months before his term ends. The government needs to explain the circumstances as to why this decision has been taken.
The move comes against the backdrop of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's criticism of DRDO's laid-back attitude last year, saying the biggest challenge before it is to work ahead of time. Recently, a standing committee report on defence saw DRDO's comments on delays in development of major platforms, which resulted in time and cost overruns. It remains to be seen if the impending change of guard in DRDO will bring about a change in its style of functioning and expedite long-pending projects. Newsnight Desk, DD News.